The loafer with two eyelets on top, string up very nice with two eyelets on the side so it could breathe. It has fabric on the inside as well as the outside with the rubber sole. And the arch support is just of the rubber of the material and no metal support. You have a inside sole, as you can see. They are replaceable, so you can put your own arch supports in. And this is the material, as you can tell. So what we're going to do is put this on, give a little walk, show you how comfortable they are. It is a nice, breathable shoe for the summertime, spring through fall. It's not meant for me to walk out in snow and winter, but we do wear these things. It is a nice shoe for all around, dress up, casual, beach wear, you name it. This has a knot, so you don't lose the laces. I'm a size 12. Very comfortable putting it on. The fabric, definitely going to be a nice inside shoe, so I don't have to wear my sneakers and ruin them in the house. I'm going to put this other one on, slide them on. If I need to tie them, I can do so. They slide right on. If I wanted to tie this and walk outside, they're elastic, and I don't really need to do that. And they are going to take time to break in. They really don't need a lot of time to break in because they are rubber sole, they're flexible. If these were a leather sole, they would take a little bit more time to break in. They are skid proof and they will hold into place. And they are very comfortable for me. If I need to come into a car and drive, this will work just fine. They are very casual. What I am going to do is I am going to tighten this up by unknotting. I'm going to bring this to where I want to knot it up. And then slide it back on and see if that makes it a little tighter. And slide it back on, and that made it a lot tighter and more comfortable. You don't have to use the laces they give you. They're elastic. You could put your own laces and tie them like an old shoe, or you could use the laces and do like so, make them a little tighter. They are a comfortable loafer, casual wear, anywhere you need to go around, enjoy your pair of loafers. And choose the colors you like and the sizes you like, and hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.